अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच आप लोगों का वेट करने का। यहाँ पे इस वक्त बारिश भी हो रही है और थोड़ी सी टेक्निकल इश्यूज भी थे, तो हमें नीचे ऑफिस में आके ये मीटिंग कर रहे हैं हम। इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद है कि आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। मेरा नाम जैसे आपको पता है ज़हरा कादरी है। हम लोग कम्युनिटी की सर्विसेज 21 साल से कर रहे हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, और हम लोगों की सर्विसेज ग्रो कर रहे हैं। आयशा और हमारे बहुत सारे वॉल्टियर्स हैं जिनके बगैर हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चल नहीं सकती है। और हम लोग बहुत कम सोशल मीडिया पे आते हैं, राइट? हम लोग बहुत ही मुश्किल से पोस्ट करते हैं क्योंकि हम सिर्फ अल्लाह के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। हमारा सिर्फ ये मकसद 21 साल से रहा है कि हम लोग दिखावा ना करें, मगर आजकल कोविड की वजह से सब लोग ऑनलाइन हो गए हैं। हम लोग बहुत बिहाइंड है, हमारी कम्युनिटी बहुत बिहाइंड है ऑनलाइन पर। तो हम लोगों ने सोचा चले ठीक है, अब कोविड ने ये हालात कर दिए हैं कि हमें आपके सामने सारी चीज़ें बतानी है कि किस तरीके से काम हमारा होगा फ्यूचर में और किस तरीके से हम लोग काम करेंगे इंशाल्लाह ताला। और आप लोगों का बेहद शुक्रिया कि शुरू से आप बहुत सारे लोग तो ऐसे हैं जिन जब से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की फाउंडेशन पड़ी है वो लोग हम लोगों के साथ हैं एज अ वॉलंटियर। बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जो सिर्फ 20 घंटे करने के लिए आते हैं स्कूल के सर्विस लर्निंग आवर्स और फिर हमारे साथ परमानेंट हो जाते हैं। तो माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि जो लोग वापस काम करने यहाँ पर आते हैं और फिर हम लोगों के ही हो जाते हैं वो लोग। और बहुत सारी सक्सेस स्टोरीज ऐसी हैं, मैं आपको बता दूं प्रोग्राम शुरू करने से पहले, क्योंकि माशाल्लाह हम लोगों के पास काफ़ी टाइम है अभी। और ये है हम लोगों के पास कि जब बच्चे यहाँ पे सर्विस लर्निंग करने आते हैं, कम्युनिटी सर्विस करने आते हैं या आफ्टर स्कूल प्रोग्राम में आते थे, तो वो बच्चे ग्रेजुएट हो गए हैं, कोई डॉक्टर बन गया है, कोई इंजीनियर बन गया है। और बहुत सारे लोग टेक्नोलॉजी में तो कहते हैं आंटी प्लीज़ आप भी ऑनलाइन पे आ जाएं, काफ़ी चीज़ें आपको चेंज करना होगा। हमारे पास का एक स्टूडेंट था, उसने आके पूरा गूगल का एक फॉर्म बनाया, क्रिएट किया, मगर अगेन अपनी जो कम्युनिटी है वो लोग बहुत बिहाइंड है, उनको समझाने में, चीज़ें करने में हम लोगों को टाइम लगता है। तो बहरहाल जो आजकल की सूरत हाल है उसके हिसाब से अगर देखा गया तो हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा पीछे हैं। और अब हम लोगों को हर चीज़ सोशल मीडिया पे डालनी है, लोगों को किस तरीके से, क्योंकि अब तो नया वायरेंट आ रहा है, राइट? इज़ गोना बी वेरी टफ हम लोगों के लिए कि किस तरीके से हम लोग या केयरफुल। और फिर हम लोग सिर्फ बाई अपॉइंटमेंट्स दे रहे हैं, हर एक को ऑफिस में नहीं बुला सकते। पहले तो ये होता था किसी की बर्थडे है तो बाकायदा उसकी तैयारी होती थी, खाने पकते थे, क्योंकि हम लोगों के पास किचन भी है पीछे। तो सारे लोग, सारे स्टूडेंट, सब लोग मिलके हम लोग तैयारी करते थे। मगर आजकल बिल्कुल अलग हो गया, जब से कोविड आया है पूरी ज़िंदगी हम लोगों की उल्टी हो गई है। तो बहरहाल मगर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम लोगों ने हिम्मत नहीं छोड़ी। सब लोग बंद हो रहे थे, सारी पूरी दुनिया शट डाउन हो गई थी, मगर हमारे ऑपरेशन हम लोगों का कमिटमेंट ये था कि जब कम्युनिटी को अब हम लोगों की ज़रूरत है तो हम लोगों को दरवाजे बंद नहीं करने चाहिए। क्योंकि देखें, ये अल्लाह ने आपको आपका इम्तहान लेने के लिए इस दुनिया में भेजा है, राइट? तो हम लोगों का बस ये है कि जिस तरीके से भी हम मदद करें इंशाल्लाह ताला करेंगे। मगर हाँ, ये नहीं कह रहे हम कि आप एहतियात ना करें या आप केयरफुल हो के सर्विस ना करें। अकल दी है अल्लाह ने, मत आप यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर अपने आप को बाहर निकलने से पहले। सड़क पे आई थिंक मैंने तो 3-3 लेयर्स भी पहनी है, लोग तो बिल्कुल पहचान भी नहीं रहते कि मैं कौन हूँ। जब मैं बोलती थी तो कहते थे ज़हरा आप हैं ये। तो बहरहाल अपने आप को कवर करने के लिए, और स्पेशली मेरे मम्मी पापा के साथ मैं रहती हूँ तो उन लोगों की सेफ्टी के लिए कि काफ़ी वो ज़ईफ़ हैं और उनको कुछ ना हो, क्योंकि मैं रीज़न किसी की परेशानी का नहीं बनना चाहती हूँ। तो उस रीज़न की वजह से हम लोगों ने कवर किया और अपना ऑपरेशन 24/7 किया। हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे खाने भी पकाए, हम लोग यहाँ पे सोए भी, सब्जियां भी लेके आ रहे हैं, कट भी रही हैं चीज़ें, मतलब इट वॉज फन, इट लुक्स लाइक अ फैमिली टू मी। और बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि जब छोटे बच्चे जो थे यहाँ के स्टूडेंट या क्लाइंट्स हमारे पास के, वो सब लोग आके ग्रोसरी के प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं कि आंटी अब हमें तनख्वाह मिलने लगी है, थैंक यू सो मच, आके चीज़ें देते हैं। स्कूल की सप्लाईज में उन लोगों को सप्लाईज मिलती थी हमारे प्रोग्राम से, तो वो लोग मतलब खुशी होती है कि वो उस चीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। इसका मतलब है कि जैम सोप डूइंग पॉजिटिव एक्टिविटीज़। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। आयशा आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी? प्रोग्राम शुरू करने से पहले हमारा जो डिटेल प्रोग्राम है, वैसे तो हम लोग काफ़ी जूम मीटिंग्स कर रहे हैं और लोगों के पास जा भी रहे हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स हैं वहाँ पे भी जा रहे हैं उन लोगों को बताने के लिए। तो बहरहाल ये जो आज का सेशन है ये लास्ट सेशन है हम लोगों का मार्केटिंग लेवल पे कहना चाहिए, मगर आप ये ना समझिएगा कि अगर आज हमारी मार्केटिंग का जो प्रोग्राम वो ख़त्म हो रहा है तो हम लोग भी ख़त्म हो जाएंगे, चले जाएंगे, नहीं वापस आ रहे, हम लोग सिर्फ काम ही करेंगे, ऐसी कोई भी बात नहीं है। बस फेसबुक के ऊपर आप लोग ध्यान से रहिएगा, ठीक है, देखिएगा। अगर हम कोई भी काम करेंगे इंशाल्लाह उसके ऊपर एक लाइन ही नहीं सही, इंशाल्लाह ताला हम लोग आपको नोटिफाई करेंगे। चलें ठीक है, जो लोग इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग हैं उनके लिए मैं प्रोग्राम को इंग्लिश में थोड़ा सा मैं बोलती हूँ, फिर उसके बाद हम लोग उर्दू में ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि काफ़ी लोग हैं जो उर्दू स्पीकिंग है, इसलिए वी स्टार्टेड इन उर्दू। चलिए, my name is Zehra Qadri and I'm the founder and executive director of Zam's Hope Community Resource Center. I would like to welcome you all to our very first Facebook Live for Emergency Rental Assistance Program 2. I would like to let you know that if you have a language barrier, please send us a message via chat and we will organize a meeting with you very, very soon. Even Zoom की हम meeting अगर आपकी language डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज है और आप चाहते हैं तो आयशा भी 4 लैंग्वेजेस आयशा माशाल्लाह बोलती हैं, तो वी डू हैव टैलेंटेड स्टाफ एंड वॉलंटियर हम लोगों की टीम में इंशाल्लाह। तो ये होगा कि आपको जूम के अलग रूम में लेके जाएंगे और बात करने के लिए। तो जैसे जूम में आई नो बहुत सारे लोग कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं करते, इसलिए क्योंकि उनको अपने इश्यूज किसी के सामने नहीं करना, और हम लोगों का भी ये हक बनता है कि उनकी प्राइवेसी को हम लोग मेंटेन करें। तो अगर कोई कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं करता है, प्लीज़ आप 773-719-9267 या फेसबुक के थ्रू आप हमें मैसेज दे दें, और वो मैसेज सिर्फ ये दिख दे कि आपको किस चीज़ में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो हम लोग उसी लैंग्वेज में, आपकी लैंग्वेज में इंशाल्लाह ताला हम आपको सर्विस देंगे इंशाल्लाह। और अगेन जैसे हमने पहले कहा है कि जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है ये और वॉलंटियर बेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, तो हम लोगों का बस ये रहता है कि 2 घंटे यहाँ पे काम कर लें, फिर 2 घंटे का ये प्रोजेक्ट कर लें। इट इज़ फन, इज़ रियली इंजॉय। और ये भी है कि अगर आप देखें दूसरे के लिए काम करते हैं तो अल्लाह आपको हिम्मत भी देता है, ताकत भी देता है और रास्ते भी बनाता रहता है। तो जितने भी लोग देख रहे हैं, मैं उन सब लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि प्लीज़ आप लोग जो है किसी न किसी के ज़रिए, किसी न किसी चीज़ के थ्रू एक दूसरे की मदद करते रहें, ताकि अल्लाह आपके भी रास्ते खोले और दूसरे लोगों के लिए भी ज़िंदगी आसान हो। आयशा, आप कुछ बोलेंगे इसमें जो मैंने कहा है? अगर आप उसको गुजराती में भी कर सकती हैं तो आप बोल सकती हैं, इसको गुजराती में बोल दें।
આમનું નામ ઝેરા કાદરી છે ને આ ફાઉન્ડર અને એક્ઝિક્યુટિવ ડાયરેક્ટર છે આપણે જેમ્સ ઓફ કમ્યુનિટી રિસોર્સ સેન્ટરના ને અમે તમને બહુ ખૂબ આભારી છે ને તમે અમે ઇન્વાઇટ કરી રહ્યા છે અમારી ફર્સ્ટ ફેસબુક લાઈવ માટે। અમારું ઇમરજન્સી રેન્ટલ અસિસ્ટન્ટ 2 માટે આ ફેસબુક લાઈવ થઈ રહ્યું છે। અને અગર તમને લેંગ્વેજ બેરિયર છે, અગર તમને કોઈ ભાષા સમજ નહીં આવતી તો તમે અમે મેસેજ કરો વાયા ચેટ, या तो हमें टेक्स्ट मैसेज करो तो हमें तमारी जोड़े छे ने एक ઝૂમ मीटिंग, प्राइवेट ઝૂમ मीटिंग करीशू, तो ત્યાં हमें तमने બધું मीटिंगनी बारे में બધું જણાવી શકશું।
थैंक यू सो मच आयशा, थैंक यू। अच्छा, जैसे आपको पता है कि कोई भी काम करने के लिए एक टीम की ज़रूरत होती है, राइट? तो वो टीम हमारे पास अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम लोग बहुत सक्सेसफुल हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा क्वालिटी कंट्रोल के ऊपर हम लोगों का फोकस रहता है। तो मैं अपने लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी जो लोग हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं इंडिया में, पाकिस्तान में, सऊदी अरब में और नाइजीरिया में और एक्वाडोर में और ऑफ कोर्स शिकागो। तो ये हमारा समझे जान है, हम लोगों की पहचान है। तो ये चीज़ है कि अमरोहा में भी हमारा जो अपना ओन शहर है, हमारे रिश्तेदार वहाँ पर हैं। तो सभी लोग, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग शिकागो में हैं तो सिर्फ शिकागो की मदद कर रहे हैं या सिर्फ शिकागो के लोग ही हम लोगों के साथ मतलब जुड़े हुए हैं। माशाल्लाह दूर दूर से लोग हैं जो जुड़े हुए हैं और इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं। अब मैं इंग्लिश में थोड़ा सा चलती हूँ। बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आवर मीटिंग आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक आवर डेडिकेटेड एंड कमिटेड टीम मेंबर्स। सबसे पहले मैं अपने टीम मेंबर का शुक्रिया अदा करूँगी और फिर उसके बाद आयशा आप जो है उसको गुजराती में ट्रांसलेट कर दीजिएगा। अच्छा, सबसे पहले हमारी जो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर हैं, बिफोर आवर बोर्ड मेंबर्स मिशेल एडवर्ड, शाहीन अमीर, सरदार खानम, Lester Campbell, Don Beecham. Don Beecham, he's our Southside Executive Director. I'm a Northside Executive Director. Rabab Mirza, James Upshaw, Aisha Memon. Aisha Memon आपके सामने बैठी हैं. She is Aisha Memon. And John Reynoso, Mehrun Nisa, Lubna Khan, Mubin Faruqi, Norma Calandero, Jose Garfias, Linda Williams, Jacqueline Smith, Karen Nicholson, Zainab Khan, Ibtisar Anis, Tehmina Shabnam, Nazir Khan. माशाल्लाह. और हमारे बहुत सारे लोग और भी हैं जिन लोगों ने हमारी मदद की है. सबके नाम लेना इस वक्त मुनासिब नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोगों का एक मकसद है आज की फेसबुक लाइव का. एंड ग्रेगरी डेविस, ही इज़ आवर वॉलंटियर. ही इज़ जस्ट wonderful, available for driving purpose only. So we are happy that we have someone who can just drive around the whole city. We are very grateful for great Gregory Davis. Again, thank you. And Zam's Hope Community Resource Center is incomplete without you all. Very special thanks to Don Beecham for your commitment to serve the Chicago resident. Great job. Keep it up. Keep the momentum rolling, especially till December 31st. Thank you, Aisha. Aisha Memon is our volunteer staff, will be reading all the questions. So we are requesting from you all, kindly type your question concern in the message box and we will try our best to reply in the order in which they receive. Thank you very much. Aisha, बोल रहे हैं उसको रिपीट करते हैं उसमें आपकी लैंग्वेज में ગુજરાતી में जी.
અમે તમારો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનીએ છીએ ઝેમ્સ હોપ કમ્યુનિટી રિસોર્સ સેન્ટર. તમારા લોકોથી અધૂરું છે અને અમે ખૂબ આભાર માનીએ છીએ મિસ્ટર ડાન બીચમ જે અને જેની કમિટમેન્ટ સર્વ કરી છે શિકાગો રેસિડન્સની. તો અમે તમારો ખૂબ આભાર માનીએ છીએ ને તમે ખૂબ સારું કામ કરી રહ્યા છો. ને હું તમને કોઈ સવાલ હોય તો તમે ચેટમાં અમે મોકલી શકો છો. અમે તમે જવાબ આપવાનું ખૂબ કરીશું.
Thank you so much, Aisha. Now we are moving forward what we did actually for ERAP 1 program. ERAP is Emergency Rental Assistance Program कि जिन लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, फाइनेंशियल हार्डशिप में है, वो लोग किराया नहीं दे सकते, यूटिलिटीज़ नहीं दे सकते, तो हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने ये कहा है कि हम उनकी मदद करेंगे. तो देखें कितनी अच्छी हमारी गवर्नमेंट है माशाल्लाह. अगर हम लोग टैक्स देते हैं तो ये बेनिफिट भी हम लोगों को मिल रहे हैं. हमारी जो मेयर है लोरी लाइटफुट उसका नाम है और वो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से हमारी कम्युनिटी के लिए जो पैंडेमिक की जो सिचुएशन है उसमें रेंटल असिस्टेंट प्रोग्राम लेके आई हैं और उसके हम सब लोग आई विटनेस है. हमारी कम्युनिटी आई विटनेस है. तो वी हेल्प सर्व ओवर $1.7 million in emergency rental assistance program through City of Chicago Department of Housing. We are very, very grateful that Department of Housing, City of Chicago, working very hard for Chicago residents. I like to thank City of Chicago Department of Housing to giving us the opportunity to serve rental assistant clients through our Zam's Hope Community Resource Center. We are very, very grateful. तो मैं शुक्रिया अदा करूंगी City of Chicago का कि उन्होंने हमें emergency rental assistant program में और आयशा ने बहुत ज़्यादा participate किया है उस program में, इसलिए आज हमारे साथ बैठी हैं just to testify कि हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया माशाल्लाह. और उसमें फिर हम लोगों को हिम्मत हुई और हम लोगों ने कम्युनिटी को के लिए एमरजेंसी रेंटल असिस्टेंट प्रोग्राम 2 वो हमने डाला है. तो इस प्रोग्राम में ये है कि पहले तो खैर मैं आपको ज़रा सा ये बता दूं कि 1.7 मिलियन से हमारा इतना बजट नहीं था, मगर हमने अपनी लोकल गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट की तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उन लोगों ने अप्रूव किया इस चीज़ को और हम लोगों को और ज़्यादा फंडिंग की उन्होंने अथॉरिटी दी तो हमने और ज़्यादा एप्लीकेशन ली माशाल्लाह. और सब लोगों को चेक मिले हैं. जो दुआएं मिलती हैं आपको, हम लोगों को तो ये है कि हम सिर्फ खिदमत खल्क जो कहते हैं, जो कि हमारे रिलीजन में भी खिदमत खल्क है, हम लोगों को सबको अगर कम्युनिटी के ऊपर हम काम करना शुरू कर रहे हैं, अपने नेबर्स के घर से काम शुरू कर रहे हैं, पूछें उनको क्या तकलीफ है, क्या परेशानी है, और अगर हम केपेबल हैं काम करने के तो इंशाल्लाह ताला हमें करना भी चाहिए और अल्लाह आपके रास्ते भी खोलता है. और कोई भी रिलीजन को आप ले लें, ठीक है, हमारा सिर्फ इस्लाम हम इसलिए क्योंकि हम मुस्लिम हैं तो हमें ज़्यादा पता है, राइट, मगर बीइंग इन द कम्युनिटी हर रिलीजन आपको ये बताता है बेसिक सारे काम वही हैं, सारे काम अच्छे करने के लिए बताता है. कोई भी रिलीजन ऐसा नहीं है जो आपको झूठ बोलने के लिए, चोरी करने के लिए, अननेसेसरी किसी के ऊपर जुल्म करने के लिए, राइट. ये चीज़ें हम लोगों के पास नहीं है और किसी भी रिलीजन के पास नहीं है. हमारा जो सेंटर है वो सबको सपोर्ट करता है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. उसमें हम लोग ये नहीं देखते कि आप का क्या रिलीजन है, आपकी जेंडर क्या है और आप किस चीज़ों के ऊपर बिलीव करते हैं. देखिए ये चीज़ें अल्लाह ने हमें इन चीज़ों के लिए बिल्कुल नहीं भेजा है कि हम किसी के ऊपर तोहमत लगाएं या हम किसी के ऊपर ये बोलें कि ये जहन्नुमी है और ये जन्नती है. और हम लोगों को ये चीज़ों के ऊपर डिस्कस ही नहीं करना चाहिए. एक्चुअली आपको दुनिया में किसी मकसद के लिए भेजा गया है, ठीक है. और जो मकसद है वो आपको अपने दिल से सोच के चीज़ें करने का है, राइट. जो चीज़ आपको अच्छी लगती है, जो चीज़ आप चाहेंगी कि हम इसको ये काम ऐसा कर लें, तो कोई भी काम करने से पहले बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं ज़रा हमने कोशिश भी की मगर नहीं हुआ. देखिए कोई भी काम करने से पहले प्लानिंग करनी चाहिए और प्लानिंग करने के बाद जब उसको आप इफेक्ट उसमें लेके आएंगी, प्रैक्टिस में लेके आएंगी, तो आई थिंक वो काम जो होगा वो सक्सेसफुल होगा. और सक्सेसफुल जब ही होगा जब आपके साथ टीम है. तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं तो यही कहूँगी कि बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्र है कि जैम्स होप के साथ बहुत अच्छे बंदे आते हैं. हज़ारों लोग आए और हज़ारों लोग चले गए, राइट. तो अगर जो लोग चले गए हैं नेगेटिव तरीके से, तो हमें उसके ऊपर पकड़ के नहीं बैठना चाहिए कोई भी चीज़. हम लोगों को क्या करनी चाहिए कि आपको देखें कि आपको तो पता है कि आपका मकसद क्या है, राइट. बहुत अच्छा मकसद है माशाल्लाह हम लोगों का. और जो भी काम अगर आप लोग भी कर रहे हैं तो मैं तो सिर्फ यही दरख्वास्त करूंगी कि पहले अपने आप को ऑर्गेनाइज करें, फिर कोई भी हम काम कर सकते हैं. देखिए हमने कभी भी नहीं सोचा था कि हम $1.7 मिलियन के हम लोग जो हैं वो प्रोग्राम कर सकते हैं, वो भी कोविड में, राइट. बहुत कम शॉर्ट टाइम. अच्छा इमरजेंसी का मतलब ये है कि हमें इतना टाइम नहीं दिया जाता इन कामों के लिए कि आपको करना. अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल Oh, okay. I'm sorry. We have a request that we should be talking in English. So let's go back and talk about emergency rental assistance program. Thank you so much, and I do apologize. In the beginning, I saw many Urdu speaking and Gujarati, so we decided to start our program. I do apologize, but let's go ahead and talk about emergency rental assistance program too. So rental assistance program is going to start December 6th, means tomorrow, till December 18. So we will be taking applications throughout, but by appointments only. Our operation is by appointments only. If you need any help, you can feel free to call at 773-719-9267. And also you can message us by Facebook, and also you can send us a text message. I know taking calls is going to be very tough. It's going to go in a voice message. Then we have to have a separate time to listen to it and then reply to your messages. But anyway, Aisha, you want to start in Gujarati language to say a few words. What I said when the program is starting is very important to notify everyone when the program is starting.
So emergency rental assistance program બેમાં અમને એટલું ટાઈમ નથી આપ્યું, ખાલી અમને 2 અઠવાડિયાનું ટાઈમ આપ્યું છે, એટલે એનું નામ ઇમરજન્સી રાખ્યું છે. એમાં તમે અમને ટેક્સ્ટ મેસેજ કરીને કાં તો અમારા ફેસબુક પેજ પર જઈને અમને મેસેજ કરી શકો છો, તો અમે તમારી અપોઇન્ટમેન્ટ સ્કેડ્યુલ કરીશું ને અમે તમને હેલ્પ કરીશું તમારા ફોર્મ સબમિટ કરવા માટે. તમારો ફોર્મ સબમિટ કરવા માટે અમે જરૂરી ડોક્યુમેન્ટેશન્સ જોઈએ છે, તો તમે અમને મેસેજ કરશો તો અમે તમને જરૂરી ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સની ઇન્ફોર્મેશન મોકલીશું. તો તમે ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સની કોપી લઈ આવજો. પછી અમે તમારી સ્કેડ્યુલ કરી લઈશું અપોઇન્ટમેન્ટ ને તમારા ફોર્મ સબમિટ કરી દઈશું. પછી ગવર્મેન્ટ જોઈએ તમારું અપ્રૂવ કરશે તો તમારું રેન્ટ થઈ જશે.
Okay, thank you very much. Now let's go ahead and start emergency rental assistance program. Just the description is experienced a financial hardship during COVID-19. The application period for the City of Chicago Emergency Rental Assistance Program, we are calling ERAP 2, will be open for tenants and landlord starting Monday, tomorrow, December 6th, through Saturday, December 18. You want to translate this? You already did, I think, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So this round of grant assistance will provide up to $2,500 per month for up to 15 months of past due rent and utility payments, and 3 months of future rent and utility for eligible tenants and landlord. New
તો
item.
આ જે ગ્રેન્ડ અસિસ્ટન્ટ રાઉન્ડ છે આપણે રેન્ટનું અને યુટિલિટી બિલ્સનું એ તમારું 15 મહિના પાછળનું અને 3 મહિના આગળનું તમારું રેન્ટ અને યુટિલિટી બિલ્સ ભરી આપવામાં આવશે અગર તમારું અપ્રૂવ થાય છે તો.
Okay, wonderful. So now we are moving forward. We are saying we have to have our services by appointment. So this is the main topic for today, right? That if you can come and stay in line. It's very cold weather here. Today is raining. We don't want anybody to get sick. And plus, a new variant is,
Yeah.
is a threat right now. So we really don't want to take any type of risk for our community members. So we are providing services by appointments. And also, if you can send us a text message, we have appointment book. Aisha, if you don't mind to grab appointment
Yeah,
book and
sure.
then show that we are starting about 70, 80 people tomorrow, right? So if 80 people coming, right, for example, all together, right, if it's open to public and then serving, so we decided to do this by appointments. By appointments means if you have 3:30, make sure that you are coming 3:30. And also if you are coming 3:30, make sure that you have altogether how many appointments, if you don't mind to check, Aisha, for tomorrow. I believe 70, 80 people
Yeah.
coming. And so if you're coming, what you need to bring, right? So we don't want to waste your time or our time because time is sensitive. We only can do applications up till Saturday, December 18.
18.
I just want to confirm December 18, and I'm gonna go over one more time. But right now, important part is to understand that we are providing services by appointments only. If you are coming, we are going to return and tell you to set up appointment first, then we can go ahead and serve you. We will be very happy to serve everybody. We never return people, but this is very sensitive time because we have only 2 weeks to process our applications, taking intakes and processing, creating emails. Without email, you cannot process this program. And we have to create everybody's Gmail account. And the community that we are serving, it is very tough to explain that what we go through online because Zamsoap also having some problems, online applications and stuff like that, and online services. So we are requesting everyone to please bear with us. We are here for you. We are not going. If we are returning back to you if you are coming on Monday or Tuesday or any time before 18. Please set up an appointment. This is our friendly request to do by appointments only. And whenever you are coming, make sure you are bringing a required documentation. So what is required documentation? Aisha, if you don't mind to explain required documentation,
Yeah.
what community need to bring?
Okay, so we need your proof of ID, such as your driving license, your state ID, or any photo ID, like it can be a foreign passport too. Then we need your proof of address, which will be in your lease because we need the copy of your house lease. And then we need your proof of income. You can bring your tax papers or pay stubs, bank statements, anything. Then proof of address, proof of income, proof of your identity, lease copy, and if you want to get your utility bills approved, so we need your recent 2 months utility bills
2
copies.
months.
Yeah.
2 months, is that correct?
Yeah, 2 months. Recent 2 months bills copy of utility bills. That's it.
And also, I really need to add that lease should be current.
Yeah.
Okay,
Not expired.
Not expired, because people asking, oh, can we bring our lease is expired in December, right, this month. But when we are going to submit our application, right, then it means that we have to have moving forward, right, because we are approving 3 months moving forward rent as well. So make sure that you are bringing, actually, you don't mind to grab that required document sheet from there.
Yeah.
So make sure that you are reading, and again, 2 months current bill that we need. And also, what else I was just thinking and I completely forgot. If you have two people working in the house, right? So for example, if husband applying or son or wife applying, make sure you're bringing everybody's information means their ID and income information. So Aisha, you have complete list required check-in, and we do have posted actually on our door, right? So we
Yeah.
just want to make sure that people who don't speak English, they don't understand, they can feel free to come and take a picture and then bring a required completed documentation. So if this checklist, like Aisha is going to read, and she did explain everything to you before, but right now, if you are missing anything, we are going to apologize that we will be returning back to you, right? And then
Yeah.
I don't know when we're going to set up appointment, because we have two locations. Two locations means we are serving from 100 West Randolph. People who live in Chicago, they know Thompson Center is very famous building, Thompson Center in downtown Chicago. So we do have office, and we are serving as a hub area over there. Means 100 West Randolph, unit suite 119. So we will be there to serve you. And also our second location, this is our main hub. This is our headquarters, 6401 North Artesian Avenue. Again, 6401 North Artesian Avenue. Aisha, go ahead.
Okay, so this is the checklist for required documents. So we need proof of address, any US or foreign issued government ID, passports or state ID, city key, green cards, or we can have your bank or credit card statement. Lease. Lease is the most important.
Yeah.
So you have to be careful that it is not expired one and
Yeah.
it is renewed one.
Mhm.
Proof of identity. So any US or foreign issued government ID, passport, state ID, city key, green card, and proof of amount of monthly rent. So a current lease signed by applicant and landlord, identifying unit and rental payment, attestation by landlord, and bank statement or other financial documents establishing a pattern of payment, paying rent, and other reasonable documents. So income verification. As I told you, you can bring your tax papers or pay stubs. So here it is, pay stubs or W-2 tax filing forms, bank statements or written attestations from applicants, verification of 80% lower AMI income by another assistance program made since January 1, 2020, or other documents depending on extenuating circumstances. An income-based proxy by zip code determined by DOH. So utility bills, as I told you, we need your most recent 2 months of utility bills
Yes.
to apply for your utility bills. So that's it. Have your all documentations ready and give us a text or messages on Facebook. We can go ahead and schedule an appointment, and then you can have your forms fill out and you can submit your forms. You can, if you submit early as possible, you will get a reply as early as possible.
So where they are submitting form, Aisha?
If they want their forms to be, in papers, like paper applications, they can.
There's no paper application, is that correct? This is only online
Yeah,
process. So when they come in, when you come in, right, then you have to bring all these required documentation with you. We will be scanning. I know people really feeling like, oh my God, online, we cannot do it. Why you are doing it? Can you please tell City of Chicago? We are receiving so many calls because this is like a panic in our community. This is online project and people coming non-stop complaining, please do paper application. But this we cannot do it. We don't have any control over, but what we did, we prepared our team for you, right? So when you come in, and we are going to see how long one application is going to take. Usually no more than 15 minutes, honestly. This is just like a 15 minutes process. If you have all the required documents in this order that we posted. And Aisha, if you don't mind to scan and send it and actually share with your Facebook if you can. Otherwise,
No
feel
worries.
free to just post as a regular post.
Yeah, I'll
okay?
post it.
Required document. This is very important. So if it's 15 minutes process, and for our community who don't speak English, who don't understand, is a language barrier as well as is IT barrier. So it's gonna take a little bit more time. So we are going to comfort you. Please don't worry about any online, because we're not gonna leave you alone. We are the fighter, right? For you all, for community, whatever community needs, we are providing. You just need to tell us what you're looking for. So we are doing it. But anyway, this is just like a final touch-ups or more information or update, before we start our tomorrow 9 o'clock in the morning is going to
Yeah.
be very important and busy. And Aisha actually cannot wait, but I will be driving. We just want to make sure that this office is open 9 o'clock. Then I have to drive to downtown location to make sure that our volunteers coming on time, and we are taking applications over there too. But this is a strictly online project, as long as, again, I'm repeating, as long as you are bringing a required documentation, then process is going to be very easy. If you are missing something and is not in order, we can go ahead, do it for you, right? It's not going to take much time. But if you are missing something, it's going to be a really problem for us. So we can go ahead and tell you to go back, and we can go ahead and take, next appointment. We will move forward next appointment. So anyway, if you really need a presentation, we are going to share very soon with you on Facebook. City of Chicago actually working very, very hard. Like I said, City of Chicago Department of Housing organized a virtual town hall meeting to learn about housing and eviction help and support on. We will be sharing their videos right after this program, and inshallah you can go ahead and learn from that program. This is these are just the professional teams, their policy director, commissioners, assistant commissioners, the whole Department of Housing actually is a professional team, so they can explain everything better than us. We are just like a delegate agency serving community, so we are counting on you all. And I'm very, very happy to see that we have so many people joining and listening our program. So you can go ahead and learn more from that video that we will be posting. Again, this is from Chicago Department of Housing virtual town hall meeting. They had it on November 22nd. Yeah, so we will be sharing that video. Please visit for updates on Chicago Department of Housing's Facebook account or Twitter. So you can share, you can check and visit their Facebook page at facebook.com/Chicago DOH, Department of Housing. And also Twitter account, twitter.com/Chicago DOH. Make sure that you are, before you start this process, make sure you are listening to them. This is completely in English, and also they have a beautiful program that you can convert that into different languages. You can hear if you cannot, if you don't understand different, English or different languages. But they are very supportive, very good people. Please spread the word. So we are very, very thankful to our Mayor Lori Lightfoot, Commissioner Marissa Navarra, and the entire city staff, and especially Department of Housing, working very, very hard to serve evictions and helping Chicago residents. So we are very, very thankful for our local government. We are very happy that they care about their Chicago resident. So please watch that town hall meeting. If you have anything, please send us a message. Any concern, please let us know so we can go ahead and take care. Anything else, Aisha, that you want to translate this for Gujarati speaking?
Yeah. So, અગર તમને કોઈ લેંગ્વેજ બેરિયર થાય છે યા તો તમને કોઈ
This is the one that you can go ahead and say all this.
સિટી ઓફ શિકાગોએ વર્ચ્યુઅલ મીટિંગ રાખી હતી, વર્ચ્યુઅલ ટાઉન હોલ મીટિંગ આપણે હાઉસ અને એવિક્શન માટે વધારે જાણવા માટે. તો અગર તમને મીટિંગ જોવી છે તો ત્યાં એક રેકોર્ડિંગ છે ફેસબુક પેજ પર અને એમના ટ્વિટર પેજ પર, તો તમે જઈને ત્યાં કરી શકો છો. એ મિટિંગમાં એ લોકો એવું રાખ્યું છે કે તમે તમારી લેંગ્વેજ ચેન્જ કરી શકો છો, તો એ તમારા માટે બેનિફિટ છે. તો અગર તમને મિટિંગ જોવી હોય તો તમે એમના ફેસબુક પેજ પર જઈ શકો છો. facebook.com/chicago.doh અને ટ્વિટર પર છે twitter.com/chicago.doh. ત્યાં જઈને તમે પૂરી આખી મિટિંગ જોઈ શકો છો અને તમે વધારે ઇન્ફોર્મેશન એમાંથી લઈ શકો છો.
Okay, Aisha, thank you very much. And now it's just like, I believe it's 10, what's time now? I believe it's 10. 10.
Yeah.
So we have 20 more minutes. Okay, so we are going to stop talking. We want to hear from you if you have any concern or anything that you want to talk to. And if it's not, then we can go ahead and keep repeating the same thing over and over to make sure that this program is going very smooth. And we just want to make sure it's going to be a pleasant experience, inshallah.
Inshallah.
We are ready for you all, and we are very excited. We cannot thank you all enough to join. We are very happy to see the numbers. And please, this is not like a you can say professional setting, and this is not a professional actually speakers or panelists, but again we can go ahead and promote City of Chicago Town Hall meeting, and वो आप देख के उसको टाउन हॉल मीटिंग को देख के आपको पूरा प्रोग्राम समझ में आ जाएगा. बेसिकली इट्स वेरी वेरी इजी, बट इट्स जस्ट लाइक people really nervous because it's online process. This is the only fear for our community, and we just want to make sure, don't even worry about anything. We will be here for you. I know every single thing going online, right? Everything is online. We just want to make sure that we are preparing our community for future. Zam's Hope never posted only few pictures to make sure that we still exist, right? Maybe 6 months or a yearly basis. You can see our Facebook page and you can see your own, yourself, that we are not even, we are not a social media person. We are not like a show off people. We just want to make sure that we are only posting important information to make sure that everyone knows that we still exist. But right now, from now on, since we had a conversation with government and we did explain that our community really facing challenges and they are very nervous because of online process, we didn't hear saying, okay, you can go ahead and take paper applications, right? So we didn't hear anything from them, but we as a community organization like Zam's Hope is a grassroots agency, and we never feel or take ourselves like a priority. Our priority is number one, that community feel comfortable, whatever they need. Even we are talking about rental assistance the other day, people was talking about food. So we know that everybody's facing problem, and this is not only us, but we are very blessed that we are in America, right?
Yeah.
Because our government honestly giving money to people
And helping
and
others.
helping others. It's like and this program is not only for legal residents. Any documented or undocumented community can apply, and they don't have any link between Homeland Security, anything like that. So don't even worry about anything. If you need it, people honestly feel really bad they need help, but they're afraid to apply. So many people going through a lot. They even come here for food program, but they don't feel comfortable providing or completing intake form, right? So we just want to make sure that we are not attached, and our organization is strictly work for people, and we don't have any connection that we are gonna do this, we're gonna do that. No, whatever community need, we change our programs, right? We do community assessment all the time. If community need food, so we provide more food programs. We have, mashallah, alhamdulillah, that we have hot meal services. We provide monthly grocery distribution, and also as a food pantry. We just want to make sure that we are open, right? I don't know how many of you know that we started Zam's Hope because of that reason. We face so many challenges, and we don't want that other people feel facing challenges, and we're not here to help and support. And so don't even feel that is online, you cannot do it. Nothing is impossible. If we can create this organization in Chicago, right? And serving over 21 years, right? You can do that too. This is not hard at all. You just need to have your own commitment and planning to start and do anything. And if you need our help and support, we are here to support for you for anything, for any project that you want to start. And since it's online, since it's COVID, mostly people is staying at home, please send us a message. We can go ahead and tell you how you can create more programs, how you can do it, because we created program in Nigeria. Honestly, someone is just like Nigeria and Zam's Hope in Nigeria. It's just like people ask, you visited Nigeria? You know what you did? But anyway, but we just want to make sure that anybody can do anything. We all are talented individuals. God created us like that, right? So we just need to find our interest, right? And your commitment. I think you will be successful. And don't even worry about anything let's come back to our program. I'm sorry. Emergency Rental Assistance Program 2, again, is starting December 6th through December 18. I believe is going to end 11:59 p.m. I just want to make sure that I'm reading it right, but you can go ahead and say something else, reminding our viewers and thanking our viewers. Let me go ahead and find out.
Got you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. I was looking at the chats. Thank you so much for your well wishes. And if you have any questions or related questions to ERAP, you can just go ahead and put it in the chat, and we will give our best to reply to your questions. And I thank you so much. You guys don't need to worry. We are there for you, and we will help you for your applications. And we have a great staff, so don't worry.
Great volunteers right
Yes.
here. We have many volunteers I already named, but again, I did find a press release actually from City of Chicago, from Mayor's office. I can go ahead and read this one to you. This second Emergency Rental Assistance Program, ERAP 2 application round, which will close at 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, December 18, 2021, includes 2 million from the American Rescue Act Plan of 2021 and will offer up to 18 months of rental assistance and utility payment assistance for impacted renters. So our mayor is saying that we have $102 million, right? So if you are behind on your rent, even you're behind 6 months rent, this program will pay for 6 months and moving forward 3 months, so you don't have to worry about it, and you can organize your financial situation within 3 months and moving forward with your normal life, inshallah. I should check the time and let me know how everything is going. Any
10,
question or
18.
anything like that?
10-18. Yeah, someone said that you should start this in India also. Many people need this organization in India.
Wonderful.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, we are preparing. What we do when we visit India, we do charity work. Okay, so any visit, I think me personally visited India many times. Always, we are helping community. We distribute food, we distribute blankets, and we educate. And I graduated from Abdullah Girls and also Aligarh Muslim University, and I'm very proud to be Indian American, and I'm very blessed and thankful that we are here in America, can do anything. I mean, our government, especially very, you can say, especially during COVID, I just want to make sure they are taking care of their people, and we are very grateful. Again, inshallah, we are working on India project officially, but again, we need to make sure that we have enough volunteers. And for this comment, I can go ahead and say that thank you so much. You read our mind, and we are working actually towards to India, because we serve Pakistan as well. And Pakistan, again, this organization is humanity. We don't care who you are and what country you belongs to. We have nothing to do in Nigeria. But when I saw the problems, right? We came back and then we created the whole plan for Nigeria. We explained
Yeah.
our community members. And again, we cannot thank you enough for our volunteers and donors, especially. Donors are the one, they're just like a backbone for our organization. And whenever Zam's Hope need anything, they are here for us. And again, thank you so much. Now we are talking back to ERAP program. Okay, any other comments or
No.
anything like that?
They're just wishing us. Thank you so much. for
Wishing
your-
us, thank you very much. Yes, it's gonna be a very, very tough till December 31st. But again, we love challenges, right, Aisha?
Yeah.
We are staying home here in the office, and I told everybody, please bring your sleeping bags because we have kitchen. We can go ahead and live here till December 31st. People really enjoy 31st, but we work 24/7 because we have, this is our cutoff line, right? Cutoff time to finish our reporting. And then we have audits after that. Then our accountant come in, he does our audit and any documentation that he need. But anyway, it's very exciting. The whole year, we have no idea when we start January 1st and the end is December already. That's how busy we are. But again, we are serving community. We are blessed. And मैं तो यही कहूँगी आखिर में कि हम लोगों को अल्लाह ने बहुत अच्छे रास्ते पे रखा है और अल्लाह मियाँ हम लोगों के दिलों में ऐसे ही जज्बा पैदा करे और हमारे जो भी स्टूडेंट और हमारे घर वाले और जो भी हमारे साथ इस मकसद में खड़े हैं जिसने भी 21 साल से इस जैम्स होप की मदद की है बनाने में, सर्व करने में, अल्लाह उनके प्रॉब्लम्स अगर उनके पास हैं तो उसको दूर करे और उनको सेहत दे और दोनों जहान में उनको इज्जत दे सेहत के साथ। हम लोग इस ज़िंदगी में दिस इज़ जस्ट अ टेस्ट एंड इंशाल्लाह मीट यू इन जन्नतुल फिरदौस इंशाल्लाह। that's our mission. This is Zam's Hope mission to help anybody, you know, who need help. Aisha, you
Yeah.
want to say a few things?
Just that don't panic. Now we know that new virus has came, so mostly all flights are getting cancelled. We should take some precautions and we should take care of ourselves, our families. So
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Yeah.
So just want to make sure that, yes, when Aisha said flight cancel, actually we did not schedule our grocery distribution program monthly that we do for December month because our volunteer is stuck in his country and his airport is closed. So he's the only one, he got like a electric
Yeah.
forklift to unload stuff. So Zam's Hope do face problems, but again, we're not gonna say, oh, we're not gonna serve because we don't have anybody to unload our truck. But definitely we are working hard as we are serving emergency rental assistance program. Can you check the time, Aisha, please? Thank
Yeah.
you.
10:22.
10:22.
Oh, someone said I was your student in 2002.
Oh my God, who's that?
Ammar Khalid Rajput.
Oh, thank you so much. I was talking about our past, right? If you can comment something, what's your experience? And I'm very, very happy to see, and I hope you remember your Zara auntie, right? It's like a second mother. So please let us know, let our viewer know who we are and what we do. It's just like I spread the word about Zam's Hope. And again, our mission is to spread. I know this is not a professional setting, but again, we are going to provide you a professional setting by sharing our City of Chicago Department of Housing's virtual town hall meeting that they had on November 22nd.
Second.
We will be sharing with you so you can understand what's professional and look at that. This is Zam's Hope setting, but we are proud. I mean, again, it's not about setting or anything like that. It's about serving people when they need, basically, right? So
Yeah.
our heart, our love, our care is for you all. Thank you very much. And Aisha, you want to say something? Any other comments?
Yeah, someone said that I'm Nigerian. What is the official website?
Okay, official website is, again, let me go ahead and before I release our website, we don't update, like I said, our websites or social media at all, but our website is zamshope.net. zamshope.net, zamshope.net. Can you
Yeah,
go?
putting it in
Yeah,
the
good,
chat.
good. So again, www.zamshope.net if you can visit, but please visit our Facebook page. We are on current now Zam's Hope page, on Facebook, And again, we will be working on Instagram as well as Twitter. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Soon, very soon. Okay, we are creating online community, so don't worry about anything. We will be in touch, and we just want to make sure that you feel comfortable about going online, right?
Yeah.
We are here for you. We speak 12 different languages. We have very talented staff slash volunteers, and we will be here for you. Anything else, Aisha?
No,
Okay, what's time now?
it's 2025.
Okay, so before we close our program, I really need to thank our we need to thank our volunteers, number one, then donors, of course, and then we are very thankful to our Mayor Lori Lightfoot, Commissioner Marissa Navarra, and the entire city staff and Department of Housing working very hard to save evictions and helping Chicago residents. Last but not least, very, very special thanks goes to TRP to select our organization as their delegate agency for ERAP2. We are very, very grateful. I'm not sure if we can mention your name or not, but I do apologize. But we are very happy that you selected our agency for ERAP2 program. I would like to thank everyone's participation today who joined on Facebook, and I'm very happy to see the numbers. Very, very happy to see the number. Thank you very much. Please remember, don't evict yourself. Okay, our government is saying and giving you a message that we are here for you. Please don't evict yourself and connect with the appropriate resources. That's all we want to say. Our government sending the same message for you all, that don't evict yourself. सिर्फ आप लोगों से ये गुजारिश करनी है कि आप अपने आप से घर ना छोड़ें. अगर आप बिहाइंड हैं, लैंडलॉर्ड आपको परेशान कर रहे हैं, तो प्लीज़ आप बिल्कुल परेशान ना हो और 911 को भी कॉल कर सकते हैं. और जो भी रिसोर्सेज अभी हम लोग इंशाल्लाह, आप जो प्रेजेंटेशन है सिटी ऑफ शिकागो का टाउन हॉल मीटिंग है, उसको हम अपने फेसबुक पे डालेंगे, तो आप लोगों को प्रेजेंटेशन देखेगा. और जो भी रिसोर्सेज उसमें हैं, प्लीज़ आप उसको अवेल करें, उसको आप अपनाएं, और आपको डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. क्योंकि अगर आप घर से एक बार निकलेंगे, ठीक है, तो आप बच्चों को लेके कहाँ पे जाएंगे? ठीक है, बहुत सारे, इतनी तकलीफ होती है. अपनी सिटी में हम लोग यहाँ पे ड्राइव कर रहे थे, अभी हमारा ग्रोसरी का प्रोग्राम था, उसमें Thanksgiving के सीजन से we started November 19 through November 24th was our last day. It is heartbreaking. Every year we face problems, right? Every year. But this year is heartbreaking to see tents all over the city of Chicago. South side, you can see when you drive to Expressway on highway, you see tents. It is heartbreaking. And then when we were distributing, and again, thanks goes to Don Beecham. Don Beecham taking a lead on distribution and operation, basically. So his job is very tough, and he's making us proud, actually, and we are very proud and thankful for his time, for his commitment. And again, thank you very much. But आप लोगों से यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज़ आप अपने आप को इविक्ट ना करें, अपने आप से घर ना छोड़ें. आपके राइट्स हैं. और अगेन, सिटी जो है वो ये भी चाहती है कि लैंडलॉर्ड को बिल्स पे करने होते हैं, राइट? लैंडलॉर्ड को भी तो अपने मॉर्गेजेस और बिल्स और मेंटेनेंस रखना होता है, तो उनको क्या करना है, उनको भी पैसों की ज़रूरत है, राइट? तो अगर वो आपको परेशान करते हैं, तो आपको घबराना क्या, मतलब अफसोस है उस चीज़ में कि परेशानी होती है. ऑफ कोर्स आप लोगों को परेशानी होगी कि बच्चों के साथ हम कहाँ लेके जाएंगे, मगर आपको निकलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है घर से, ठीक है? क्योंकि ये आपका राइट है, और लैंडलॉर्ड को पैसे सिटी दे रही है, राइट? तो गवर्नमेंट जो है वो सिटी किसको दे रही है? डायरेक्टली उन लोगों को दे रही है, लैंडलॉर्ड को, ताकि वो अपने बिल पे कर सके. और अगर लैंडलॉर्ड इस प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करते हैं, राइट, तो फिर हम लोगों का फर्ज है कि हम टेनेंट को पैसे दें. मैं तो अपनी कम्युनिटी से यही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि प्लीज़, ये बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम है, हम सब एक दूसरे की मदद करें और एक दूसरे के लिए काम आएँ. और अगर आप लैंडलॉर्ड हैं और सुन रहे हैं ये चीज़, तो प्लीज़ आप इस प्रोसेस में पार्टिसिपेट करें, क्योंकि पैसा डायरेक्टली आपको ही आएगा, ठीक है? और अगर आप सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं इस प्रोग्राम को, तो पैसा टेनेंट को जाएगा, राइट? तो इससे बेहतर है कि पैसा आपके पास डायरेक्टली आए रेंट के लिए, और उन लोगों की भी ज़िंदगी सुकून से हो और आप लोगों की भी ज़िंदगी सुकून से. कि हम लोगों को ये नहीं पता कि हमारा कौन सा दिन आखिरी है, राइट? हम लोगों को बिल्कुल नहीं पता कि हमारा कौन सा दिन आखिरी है. तो हर दिन ये समझें कि हमारा आखिरी दिन है, कोई ना कोई अच्छा काम कर लें. انشاءاللہ تعالیٰ. چلیں عائشہ مجھے ٹائم بتائیں پلیز کہ کیا ہے, اور اگر کسی کے پاس کوئی بھی سوال ہے تو آئی ایم ریڈی. I can talk all day long, you know, I just talk. And I also work too. So let us know please, any comments, anything like that, Aisha, if
No,
you don't mind to
just-
see it.
Just they're saying keep doing such good work for your community because the world needs this time.
Oh, thank you very much. Yes, definitely. You are absolutely 100% right. And we are trying our best. And we are very thankful that you joined this session. And this is our first Facebook page. I was just like, oh, I'm not on Facebook. I'm not on, you know, we don't want to do social media. But no. Again, we have to change ourselves according to our culture, according to our needs, right? Now, our government and other big organizations want us to go online, so we have to listen, but we can create our own system for you, right? And we did
Yeah.
created our own system, so please don't worry about anything. We are first time in 21 years, if Zam's Hope can go online and Zahra Qadri can talk in front of all of you on Facebook, right, Aisha?
Yeah.
You can do that too. I mean, I just learned, and I'm very happy to see everyone joining and with positive comments. And what's nice, is time yet? Yes, this is a time. So again, I would like to thank everyone's participation. Please remember, don't evict yourself and connect with the appropriate resources. Happy holidays. Stay blessed, safe and healthy. Please take care. آپ لوگ اپنا بہت خیال رکھیں. Jazakallah khair for joining. And inshallah we will be sharing town hall meeting from City of Chicago, Department of Housing very, very soon. Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching our channel Hakika, The Reality. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and press bell icon to get our new videos notifications. Like, comment, share.